Hi everybody, I'm Yuri Delavere here, solution engineer at Strain. So after choosing our envelope in Fusion 360, we can see this box over here, body one envelope. Now you can already go to compute, but there are different options, field and modifiers here that is very useful and beneficial to use them. So one of the most important one is this add and edit field. When you click on it, you will see a window like this, which contains density, surface bias, thickness, follow direction, and a scatter vector at the end. So I'm gonna explain to you what each of these buttons do. Initially, let's start by the density. So density includes the amount of the material that is within your structure. So I'm gonna pick a low density of 10% for this structure. You need to select your envelope also to select your shape. Notice that in Fusion 360, you can select the surface, you can select the vector, you can select the line, or you can select the whole shape. It's on you. For example, if you have a box or a cylinder and you want to have different density gradient from the top to the bottom, you can choose the line in the top and put a density of, let's say, 20%, and then in the bottom, density of, let's say, 10%, and you will see a gradual transition between those two densities. But here in this example, just to keep it simple, I want to keep the density of 10%. I click on my envelope, okay. So now you see this number appears here. This blue color shows the density. You need to go to compute eventually. I'm not going to change anything else. Okay. By now you already know what happens. The sticker will pop up and the calculation begins. There we go. And there we go. The calculation is over. And now we can see the result within the structure. Okay. There we go. And see that we have 10% density here and we reach this structure. Now, if I reduce the density, I will have bigger holes in this case because we will have less material. And if I increase the density, then we will have much smaller holes in this case. So both density and density reference thickness can have effect on the size of the holes in your structure. See you in the next lesson.